Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your password on Pinterest. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's begin. First of all, open up any kind of browser and search for Pinterest and simply log in with your account. After logging in, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and select the settings icon located at the top right corner. Select account management from here and tap on password. As I don't remember the password, I'll select forget password. Search your account with email and then a link will be shared to your account to change the password. Once you have selected the sign code button, go to your Gmail and open the link. Now you can reset your password to anything you want. And that's how you can reset your password on Pinterest. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.